In this video, I'll show you how to solve if your Buick Encore has the no remote detected error message in the dash and it doesn't start. It's very easy. Everything I'll show you is in the owner's manual if you want to check by yourself. So your car has a transmitter pocket located in the first cup holder, the one that you see in the image right over here. This is where you need to lay flat your key. If it's on a key ring, maybe remove it. Once you do this, the next step to remove the no remote detected error is to simply turn off your car. Then you're going to put the key at the place I just showed you if it's not already the case. And finally press the brake pedal and push the start stop button. The car will start and everything will be good to go. Now you need to keep in mind that you need to replace the battery in your key fob. Once you replace the battery, you won't have this error ever again. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below if my trick worked. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.